How to sell crypto on Binance. If you wish to sell your cryptocurrency on Binance, it is fairly simple for us to do so. Make sure to launch the Binance app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. If you own a certain asset and then you would like to sell it, from the bottom, go to the option called Trade. Now under Trade, you will be under Spot Trading. Choose the asset that you wish to sell from the ones that you own. Then once you've done that, go to the Sell option. Select the amount of asset that you wish to sell right here. This could be in decimals or in a digital numeric number. Once done, tap on the Sell option, and you can also sell by converting it to other cryptocurrency and converting to fiat currency as well. Once you set your order, then you will be able to sell your cryptocurrency on Binance. That's all it takes for us to sell crypto on Binance. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.